man who rode strongly in the points competition in Tour of Britain a couple of years ago, finished in the top 10 in 2017. Away doors.
Well, that's home race, isn't it? Always get good support. Don't have to travel far to get to the race. Can use my phone as normal. Don't have no roaming charges. No, I just love the race. I think it's always a fun race, and obviously being a British rider, it's always going to be more special.
So here we are in stage one, 180 k's we have in front of us. You know, Walt Van Aert and Alaphilippe, and these guys move at the end, you know, those two guys will be looking to follow them and go for success. Although, you know, couldn't finish in a reduced bunch sprint where Ethan could really show his colours.
Well, as Ethan Hayter latched onto the wheel of Alaphilippe, who couldn't get clear.
How was the first day in Britain?
To be honest, it was a tough start because I crashed out after 30-40 k or something, and I thought it's over. Good opener, I would say. 6 of us at the finish, so no big damage. Looking forward for tomorrow.
Thank you for the bucket yesterday. This is for the very kind. Did you enjoy the podcast with Ellie?
Yeah.
Ethan Hayter, you've ended up fourth in the GC.
I'll be happy to come on anytime. Yeah.
That'd be awesome.
Maybe after the tour.
A little bit of everything. I've got some rice cakes, every flavor to test them out. Yeah, we have lemon, speculoos, apple, and some gels, some energy bakes. Yeah, getting ready for today's stage.
Hot now?
Yeah, a little. It's good.
Good
to
for
be
you.
here in the UK with nice weather. I prefer that than the rain. That
Sun's shining on today. Thank Christ it's not raining.
Today is stage 2 and we're just crossing Dartmoor. There was a break of 5 which is split, and the last time check we had was 5:45. We've decided to try and stay calm because of our overall strategy.
It was a tough day again, warm and hilly. I think Israel tried to take the race apart quite early on with about 120k to go. It was split up quite a lot, but they didn't keep it going and no one else really wanted to keep it going. Yeah, everyone's kind of, I think a lot of people think about team time trial tomorrow, and it wasn't on us. Obviously I won the sprint in the end, but not everyone was sprinting, to be honest. It wasn't on us to ride, and they never came back in the end. But it was a tough day, and looking forward to the team time trial tomorrow.
So a tough little finish. We've got a good little team, only 6 of us, with some very experienced riders, you know, ex-world time trial champions and team time trial champions. So, you know, I've got a couple of young guys as well, Carlos coming in, and Ethan's quite new to this, but we're going to try and piece it all together and hopefully pull off the win.
Hey Rusty.
How you doing? Good, how are you?
Yeah, hanging in there.
Good to see you, mate.
Yeah.
We're going to win today?
Hey?
We're going to win today?
Well, you got to. You're good enough, aren't you?
Pressure's on.
Hey, yeah, you've got some pressure.
See you later.
See ya.
INEOS Grenadiers then, with Ethan Hayter in the points jersey in the light blue speed suit. 2 of their riders, including Michał Kwiatkowski, who dropped away, that left Rowan Dennis, Richie Porte, Carlos Rodriguez and Ethan Hayter. 4 riders coming towards the line, and the clock tells a very happy story.
Good work, mate.
Yeah. We win, yeah.
17 seconds. First over the line.
Yeah.
Gonna hurt.
Nice one.
What a brilliant ride.
Second on GC, Rowan.
I felt it as well.
Yeah?
Every pedal stroke. Fast.
Yeah?
Started fast, didn't slow down.
Yeah.
Got fast.
Paid off.
It was a good day though. That is one of them rides like on the limit, but at the right spot.
Go back to the car.
Enjoy it?
Yeah, I loved it.
In a bad way?
Loved it till we hit that climb. Yeah, I knew I was done there, so.
Let's get a photo of you boys.
Victory ceremony for stage 3 of the AJ Bell Tour of Britain from Hungelo, Mikkel Kwiatkowski, Carlos Rodriguez and Richie Port, the team of INEOS Grenadiers, your stage winners! The day that supports us today, INEOS Grenadiers!
Hey guys, it's hard to pull these off. I've been dowsing now for 5 years and haven't quite seen them work out properly, but that was nice to watch. You had Steve and me laughing there for a bit. They all suffered like dogs. Raise your glasses. Cheers guys.
Looking forward to riding in Wales, Owen?
I love it. Weather's beautiful.
Got a few Welsh words for us.
Yeah, we're just riding a bit of Tisha.
What we got there?
I can say anything you want.
Welcome to Wales.
Croeso I Cymru, mae'r tywydd yn braf, mae'r pob arall yn gwylio ras a gobeithio ni'n mynd i cael diwrnod dda. So welcome to Wales, the weather's great, the fans are out and hopefully we're going to have a great day.
Got a bit crazy at the finish and I did what I could, but I maybe could have recovered a bit better on the flat section because they were kind of looking at each other anyway, but yeah, I rode a bit easier, but maybe not enough, and then just didn't have anything in the last kicker, but
Gave it all.
I did alright considering, to be honest.
It's a good day. Say hello.
It's gone all shy, hasn't it?
For the team from Denmark, welcome Mikkel.
We have also is one, so that's right, yeah.
From the INEOS Grenadiers. Days ago, but rode it on the stage yesterday. Oh, and Richie Port's brought a younger member of the family. Who's this, Richie? Incredible performance, third overall in the race last year. He's one of the real strong riders in the race. And with Luca on board, Richie Port, great to have him with us once again.
Today should be a sprint stage, but here you never know. Maybe a breakaway goal, so I need a tough stage. But yeah, hopefully we get some recovery from yesterday.
I'm not sure. I know the roads quite well, so it's not actually an easy day, but it's likely to be a bunch sprint. But you never know. It's all right.
You can have a go in a bunch if it's there.
If it comes to it, definitely, yeah. Every second counts for the time bonuses, so have a go, yeah.
Is underway from Aldley Park to Warrington.
You got 10 seconds, 8 seconds now. 3K to go.
It's closing in.
We're waiting to see if Cavendish can come up on the outside. It looks to me like it's going to be a win. Ethan Hayter!
Dual crashed on the last corner, and I went on the outside, and the bike was going like this. I was like, I'm going to die. Oh, man. You get it? Yeah. Sure. I had to go round you on the floor.
Congrats, mate.
You, all right?
Yeah, I could avoid a crash, but yeah. Otherwise, for sure you wouldn't have won. But congrats.
What a sport. Second stage win of the week for everyone, and yeah, it was really nice today. Home roads for me, and it's a bit stressful the last hour or so with everyone, but the lead out was amazing from everyone. You know, like Carlos probably wouldn't put you in the normal lead out, and Richie, but you're great today. So cheers.
Where are we today?
Oik!
Oik.
Get in. Thank you very much.
Freebies, yeah.
Stage 7.
7, Howick to...
Howick, do you know how to say it?
Howick?
Danny, tell him.
Hoik!
Hoik. Is that how you say it? Hoik. Hoik then to Edinburgh. Should be a good day. Again, try and get the start right. That's the kind of the key part of the race for us. Make sure we're happy with the break and then see how things pan out.
What are we expecting at the end?
It all depends on the break. If all the right teams are in there and there's no one a threat to us on GC, then let it go to the finish.
What's the situation on the road, George?
Breakaway's taking all the bonus seconds, so that's good for us. And then hopefully the guys just cruise on in now. One more day in the lead, it's jersey for Ethan.
Is that Mike?
Hurt, mate.
What, good day?
Yeah.
All went to plan?
Yeah, all went to plan.
Stage to go for the team of INEOS, the Grenadiers, is Ethan Hayter.
It's so tight in it on the GC, so there's some bonus sprints after a steep climb at the start, so we have to be ready if there's some action on that climb. And then like the other days, we have to try and let the right breakaway go away, take the time bonuses and prepare the sprint for Ethan. Nothing special, just like the boys have been amazing this weekend, and so it'd be good to finish it off today.
In the AJ Bell Race Leaders jersey, and can he hold on to that for one more day? We will find out. Put your hands together for the team who lead the AJ Bell Tour Britain. They are riding on the team of the INEOS Grenadiers.
Yeah, it's been a really good week. Winning the team time trial was really nice for everyone, and winning the Manchester stage was, if I could win the stage I would have picked that one, so second overall between Alaphilippe and Van Aert is pretty good Tour of Britain, and yeah, it's been a really good week.